turning music off. V6, air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel stuff. I love it. Anyway, this is a quick intro or a quick van tour of how far I've got so far. I've done the air suspension. I'll show you in a second, but I've done quite a bit in the back. Right, here we go. This is what all the faffage has been about. So this button here we go. So now we're going to be calibrating, so 0 0 because we're not pumped up to anything, and to be fair I might be against the garage, so we can pump up. You get the gist. We've got voltage of the van. So here we go, look, the airbags, 17 PSI. And then we can just let them down. Pretty goddamn cool. Just turn the system off. Turn the voltage off. Hunky dory. That whole system there, this whole system, these switches I had in stock, these switches I had in stock. This gauge was 50 odd quid, something like that, from eBay, and I had that in stock as well, I suppose. Now it does look a little bit messy, but all the controls are in here, okay, which is just a valve, and it's like a solenoid. So there's the pump, it's all in there, completely contained. Have to worry about the mesh because obviously these JG speed fits are for the water system. But just say turn it on, there's the pump, and inside the box, hunky dory. Instead of 330 quid just for the control panel, or you can buy the whole system from some company that I can't remember, I said last week, it was 700 and something quid. The whole lot has cost me about 70, I'd probably say 80 quid for the whole lot. 80 quid, that's including obviously these switches I've had, that voltage gauge, and all the bits of wiring that go underneath, that go all the way behind here, all the way underneath. You've got to take this out. I don't know why I got that, but yeah, it goes underneath there, and then all underneath there. See that cable there? It all goes through that. The little blue one, okay? And then the back of the van, which we'll go to right now. Right, well, as you can see, we're in the back here. Curtains from the last video. I'm still not happy with them, and the company has agreed to give me 50% off the purchase price, but I've said to them, do you know what, I don't care. Don't care if you give me 50% off. They're still rubbish. They're super stretched, but don't fit. Anyway, so here you can see my fuse box, fuse board, breaker board. Here you can see the Wi-Fi. I've only put the aerials up for the moment. There is, like I had on the Transit, the Wi-Fi booster that sits on the top, which is in the back. Anyway, so yeah, Wi-Fi there, and then I've got my 1,000 subscribers well, I'm over 1,000 subscribers now. So, yeah, I'm super chuffed. Anyway, this is Cosy Sid. So, let's have a quick look around. Down below, I've got my, oh, let's come down. I got this from Wales, actually. And, yeah, Llangorse Lake. If you ever want to go, it's a lovely place. And there's a shop there. You can actually stay at Llangorse Lake in some really nice like static caravans. And I've been, well, we've been loads of times as a family. So I wanted to come away with something. So I bought this, and I bought the Llangorse Lake little sign. So anyway, bit of foam underneath. There's the foam. I got that from Dunelm, 20 quid, like I said last week. So it's not quite finished. I need to do something with these edges here. I'll probably just get one of those. You know, you can get a router, can't you? And you can like tee it in. I might just do that. So there you go. This furniture board from Wix, 30 quid. So I did that, and I wanted a little bit. I wanted to levitate, so I can put some lights under here, and a little bit of black underneath. You know, that T-bar there stuff, and I think that's going to look really nice. So out of the Transit, I've got my chest of drawers. So obviously with just the little turn knuckle things, and I've got all my smalls in there. Nice car. And then obviously in this one, it's the same. I've got my work clothes. I'm a big Valentino Rossi fan. Big Nürburgring fan. Been loads of times. So there's all my t-shirts, loads of t-shirts. Also, if you look in there, I'm a Minion fan. I might be 50, but I'm still 15 at heart. And then obviously a bit of winter stuff. There's some shorts, there's some trousers. These trousers actually are from Mountain Warehouse. Really good gear, Mountain Warehouse gear is. So that's where the majority of my clothes are going to go. Or are. Here. Is my Shoreline fridge freezer. Now I've had to upgrade the catches. You can see these here. Like just twist, well you don't twist, just pull, and obviously, oh look, see, it's just so nice to have a freezer. Frozen balls, ice cream, Morgan Spice, a little lolly for my mate Leo. He's only a little boy. I nicked his ice lolly the other day, so I asked his mum and dad, go get me another one, and I put it in there just for him. I had to do a bit of a pinky promise. So yeah, not much food in there. Eggs, lemonade, a couple of beverages. So there is my Shoreline Marine fridge freezer. Absolutely brilliant. The only thing I will say is that since it's come out of transit, it's been on a little bit more. The compressor cuts in a little bit more. I don't know why, because I read the instructions and it did say that you can leave 25mm between the whole of the outside, you know, around it and all that, and that's more than 25mm, but it seems to come on a little bit more. But so I've made some holes, and I might put a fan on it. Anyway, so the TV behind me, that's all got Netflix. One of these, you can talk to it, Alexa, So we've got BBC iPlayer, Netflix, Prime, YouTube, all that malarkey. This will not stay here. This is going to move to here. Same as this. This is going to move over slightly. Because down there is my toilet. So here will be the shower. I did have a shower tray put in down here, but I really didn't like it. So, one of those things. You live and learn. You buy, you don't like it. So, at the back is my bed. I haven't done anything to the roof just yet. All I've done is I put the 6 lights there. I've put them on a switch because strangely all these work on one frequency. Is it 333 Hertz? So if I turn these lights on, the bedroom lights come on as well. So I've put them on a separate switch. I've got lights for one, which are these, and lights 2. And then all I've got to do is I can control the lights from here, and then I'm in the corner there. Where am I? In the corner there, I've got another one of these remote controls, and I've got up the top there and there USB sockets. So let's go into the bedroom area. Nothing happens here. I love this bit of the bed. It's completely lengthways. And I've slept in here loads of times. Absolutely love it. I really do. Obviously, this is an ongoing build, so I've got to do this bit here. But I've got my USB sockets here, and I did build to my iPads. I've got iPad mini, and then an old iPad 2, a big iPad 2, and then a Samsung Galaxy thing. So that's all for my media. But yeah, I've got another remote control here, turns the lights on and off. There you go. It's quite cool. So I can control the lights from the front or here. And it is really nice actually, because it's a long van. Hang on, let's turn it around. There's the bed, there's the TV. Oh yeah. There's the kitchen, fridge, laptop, TV. Just so much room. I even got myself a little table there. Oh, let's get off the bed. My friend's Hans, next door, he got me. This is like scaffold. Look at that. It's a scaffold tube. This is out of the transit. Thought I had to make it. I had to put that in here. I need something from the transit in here. I can't not like have nothing from the transit. So that's my little table. And I can put my laptop there. I can eat my dinner and do not whatnot on it. So yeah, at the moment I've got my fridge in here, speaker, drone. What's going to happen here is this section here is going to be like drawers and then drawers here. But on the floor along here, I want to make a step. So there's going to be a step probably about this high, and then that will sit on the step, and make the bed a little bit more easier to get onto. And then we've got the shower, so I want to be able to step into the shower. Behind here is a whole world of mess. Yeah, nothing to see. Not just yet anyway. I don't want anyone to see this mess in here. It is really bad. So I just wanted to concentrate on what's going on the front here. So the solar comes in from the roof, comes in right here, and then it goes straight into the solar breaker, and then that goes to the back. The lights, as I said, they're just wired up. Lights 1, turn them off, lights 2, and then that lights 2 is the bedroom. So there you go. And so the remote control. So that is pretty much what I've done so far. As I said, I'm not really happy with this, so I'm going to put the brick slips on it. So hopefully when you see this van next, I've done a little bit more. Anyway, the van tour, a quick van tour with Cosy Sid. So I hope you like this video. Please click and subscribe. Don't forget, it's down there. When I put a new video out, ding my bell. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.